remove these invasive lizards from this ecosystem, you guys can see the extent of some of the damage caused right here. That's wild right there. It's from iguanas burrowing it underneath this. That's just insane. Look in these trees, because I guarantee you they're up there.
There's one in the water, Caleb.
There you go. Good job, Dylan.
Oh, I got it right here.
Should be coming down. I'll take his head off.
Come on now.
There he goes. Oh, oh. That's the next tree.
Oh my gosh. The storm is bringing them all up.
On the edge of the water. I'd stay back.
That's just insane. go straight up at him, guys.
Got that one, alright.
Woo! Flip that one.
Monsters. Dang, talk about a lot of iguanas. The whole gang of them came out here. Trees, you know? Yep, yep.
I think it makes it easier.
Yep, they're not trying to run towards the water as much either.
Yeah.
We're not from behind them going up, you know, chasing them. We're actually going straight up at them. Yep.
Should we, it looks like we can come around there. They're right there.
Yep.
So we can pick those up.
Anybody, you guys need to take a minute to reload, or you guys good?
I just reloaded, so I'm straight. What do you guys do?
I am. That was a little one. Yeah, there's a big one over there.
Oh, look at them. Oh, yeah, they are small. Running. I feel like we shouldn't be shooting at that one. Because it's almost at the top of the hill and there's a house behind it.
Let's say,
I say we
because when you're coming here, you
don't
see
bend my gun,
kind of
Caleb.
double down. Guys, like I said, man, special thanks to the guys, Palm Beach Air Guns, Joel, getting the M3 back in action. As you guys can see, she's coming in super clutch right now. Just for that extra firepower right here. FX Air Guns, one of the hands down best rifles you can get, the M3 Impact. I'm sorry for the audio, guys. This is insane. Yeah, that wind is blowing directly to the. Oh, don't get your shoes wet. There you go. You can grab them. That's a great one. Look at that.
That one right there, that one's nice.
Woo!
Look, there's three nice size ones right up there.
We're going to that tree.
Oh, that one's massive. That's 100 yards. I can't do more than that.
Ooh. Did I say 100 yards? I meant like 50 yards.
You're not going anymore. I'm going to try to shoot it from the tree they were all running. I don't even know where that is. Oh yeah, look, it's all the way at the front, man.
Oh yeah.
You want to try to get to this corner and see if that'll be our close. Kind of wriggle down in the grass a little bit. Oh wait, that's what I'm saying. Come on. This is possible.
think he's still up, dog.
I'll grab him in a second, I promise. Oh, he might be done, though.
He's like waving hello.
Is he swimming away?
No. His head's right here, though. Careful. He's still up.
I don't know who shot him and injured him. Both of these ones were injured when I shot them and finished them off. So my guess would be Jacob.
What?
He was about to dome him.
Nothing.
Oh, he's fun.
Keep on keeping on.
He'd be fine.
Fix this up.
Oh, wow.
I was about to say there's eggs.
Not by much. Barely. Barely shooting.
Doug Dynasty or something? Huh? It's still live?
These are the holes that they're digging right here. As you guys can see, a massive, massive burrow created by these iguanas. We don't know where the hole is roughly. Yeah, you got created. Burrowing iguanas. Absolutely insane. Insane. Remove these invasive lizards from this ecosystem. You guys can see the extent of some of the damage caused right here. That's wild right there. It's from iguanas burrowing it underneath this whole foundation of this entire bridge. They're gonna have to redo this at some point. But thanks a lot to you guys. You guys definitely, you know, subside the bleeding a little bit, stop the bleeding, you know. Took out these giant lizards. They all came from underneath this nest right here by this bridge. Absolutely insane. And fantastic job, man. Fantastic. Probably got holes and caves underneath. Insane. Insane. Oh yeah. Massive, massive iguanas.
We're just clearing these iguanas out so they don't eat your eggs, you know?
Oh yeah. Massive, massive iguanas.
We're gonna get out of your hair and let you into your nest. We're just clearing these iguanas out so they don't eat your eggs, you know?
Excellent, excellent. All right, guys, that is a wrap right there. You guys cleaned up shop. That's a giant. Out the nest and in the bag.
Should have left my bag in there. At least you would have been smelling something decent.
Yeah, you got busted that ice, man. Get it on. Were they getting cool in there?
Right here. Definitely need your legs on that one.
Big boy. Monsters. These are all giants. Female iguanas.
Big old iguana.
Hey, babe. You guys seen that extensive damage being done at that bridge right there, so able to alleviate that a little bit, stop the bleeding. These guys, breeding season's coming up, as you guys can see. Most of those iguanas were big alpha males or females looking, they try to get in that courtship going on and get into the breeding when that time's here. You know breeding season's here when all those alphas are just brightly colored orange, or at least majority of them. Stay tuned if you guys want to see that. We're basically done over here. We might show you all the final count. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new.
Somebody said it might be separate. Somewhere in there.
I will
in the
tell
high
you right
20s.
now.
What do you guys think we got?
33.
I'm gonna go 32. I think we might have miscounted at least once. So I'm gonna go 32, one under.
32?
Oh, we got a lot of bigger ones this time than last time. Last time we got a whole bunch of little ones.
Mm-hmm.
We got a couple big ones, but most of the numbers were smaller ones.
Yeah, we got
green.
some decent size.
These ones are
I
like,
feel like the second one was all the same size and they were nice. They were big ones. Yeah.
Crazy. No little ones in that bunch. All
They're
like herding
all-
together, huh?
Yeah.
Moving with the birds. They're like eating the grass, moving with the birds. It's just number like
Yeah,
it's
it was weird that they were like trying to herd with the birds, but I think they're just smart, man. That's all it is.
They figured it out.
They,
They can use the
figured
birds
out
for
that,
camouflage.
the people won't shoot at them if they're in between
25.
birds, most likely. 25.
Plus, we got a couple the next day, so
We'll call it 27.
last time.
I saw one.
Yeah, the birds, man. Yeah, you're right. They feel safer. Like there's a threat, maybe the birds might react first. You kind of alert them as well. Like if the birds freak out, then the iguana could be like, okay.
Yeah, they're smart.
But because we wanted to go ahead and count all these ones out too, right? You know, if you want me to jump up here,
I'll get one of the kids to do it.
Yeah, I'll throw them out.
Get the young legs up here. Yeah, just pull the cooler down and we'll line them up. That's why I didn't break the ice and stuff up in there.
Yeah, let's not break my rules.
Let's not break any of them. I wish y'all would put them somewhere different because every time I move to put something back in here, I've got it. Hey, do you need waters in here? Alright, dude. Let's start lining them up down. Ready? We'll just line them this way.
Whatever y'all want to do it, I'm just
Make it a simple one.
like size order like we did last time.
You alright?
You alright? Yeah, I just poked myself in the spine.
Got me in the face. Nothing like a shitty blood tail. Get your face.
Y'all been counting them as you've been pulling them out?
Nope. We're gonna line them up and then count.
I should have. That would have been the smart thing.
Oops, sorry about that.
I still got 3 more.
How many more?
At least 5.
Line them up.
Drain all this bloody water
Yeah,
out of
turn
this
it.
cooler.
Turn the cooler around. Drain it out. Alright, you want to try to line them up?
You want to line them up by size or what you want to do?
I mean, we can get it close. I mean, it ain't got to be perfect, but
Oh, shoot.
you know what I mean?
Old tailless.
Did get a bunch of damn big ones. I think we got way more big ones this time than we did last time.
Oh yeah. Doing our part to reduce future infestation.
That's the biggest one right there.
Is it?
No, I mean, yeah, of course. I think that's the one that. I think this is the one that you guys have. Some monsters. So how many we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32.
Woo!
Good guess, Caleb.
32.
Caleb said 33, I guessed 32. So
Yeah,
I got
Caleb
it
said
correct.
that. Gabe
Oh,
said
big.
whoever guessed it.
32 iguanas total. The place was insane. You seen that hole by that bridge? Those iguanas were finally coming out from their underground burrows, and we were able to catch them right here. Tropical storm in the Gulf Coast. That humidity, that wind, for some ever reason, was perfect conditions for iguana hunting. As you guys can see, we were able to take care of business with 32 giant iguanas in the bag.
Make sure we told them don't fluctuate that much. I mean, those ones are all relatively the same size.
Your friend Raj the iguana man. Hey man, we just took out all these iguanas from this bridge. Absolutely insane iguana removal. We're actually using this FX Impact M3. All thanks to our friends from Palm Beach Air Guns for helping us get it right. She was out of commission, leaky seals, was inoperable, but you know, went over there within a day, they were able to fix it, and just like that, we were able to go out in the field, take care of our business, and remove these giant invasive iguanas. So I want to give a special thanks to Joel at Palm Beach Air Guns for helping us get back in the field and bagging iguanas.